on. All hands on deck. Hull breached. We are flooding fast. Engage damage control parties. Left full rudder. Deny enemy advantage of access to electromagnetic spectrum. Enemy warship satellite detection. Sector 350. Coast 31. Mission complete. Heading 340. Full ahead. Activating catapult. Turn left, 30 degrees. Left turn, take course 070. Take course 160. Half speed ahead. Ghost 31 reporting. Target hit. Returning to base for resupply. Missile silos, transfer target package Alpha Bravo 22. Target enemy warship. Fire on